आपका लाइफ के ऊपर इन्वेस्ट करना कितना लोग चाहते हैं? टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट, नॉट पैसा. Because marketing plan like is a roadmap for you to grow in direction to maximize your profit. What they can growth also development. What I am telling recently, we have crossed China's population. This India is the number one. Imagine the market. Your business is in India. Come to India. I invite all of you. You may be American, African, European, black or white, or doesn't matter. Accept everybody. It is a huge market. And government is very clear in the policy. You don't have any problem in direct selling in India. You know, they have passed the law. That's why I wanted to show you. They have passed an act. Regulatory authority is there. And two ministers I have shown you. One is Ramirez Pashan, he is a former consumer affairs minister, who is the person who initiated lot of things along with the present government. Amitabh Khan, first I have shown the video, that is the one of the big brains of India's economic growth in the recent years. And he was heading G20 summit, which happened in India few months back. As you know, that global country, all big economies came there. G summit is the Sherpa of G summit, and whole organizing, executing, everything is done by his brain. He is again chairman of Planning Commission. Earlier Planning Commission, now it is called NITI. So a lot of economic policies are done, because I am straight away coming to economics, business, trade. Because I don't want anybody's mobile to, because it is $1 million training which I am giving you free. I am an economist, not careful buffalo. Hello, teaching economics in the university. If you have some other better work, you can go out. I don't care. I am here to create the entrepreneurs, here to create the business and business visionaries, business leaders. That is most important to me, my time. If you don't value your time, it is left to you. In India, I close the door. I select the people. I select based on their income, based on their network, based on their status. I filter that, because filtering process I cannot do here immediately. And with golden visa, investor's visa, you can understand my position. Anybody sitting here with investor's visa, 2 million dirham, show me. I did it in DXN business, please understand. Not through any other business. As I have taken visa with the investments, 2.5 million dirham, 2 flats in Galia, JVC. You people must understand why I am here, to drive the global market and make you rich. Hello, not me. I am trying to make you people rich, you people better off in this industry, because in this industry requires not, there are not very handful of such kind of trainers in the world in any direct selling industry. There are not many, and many who are on the top, who are very brilliant and very intelligent in this industry, who have made money, they are invisible. They won't come to you to teach grassroots level. That's not their policy. They have made money, they are entrepreneurs, they are making money, they go and take rest. On Sunday they have the better job of enjoying their own life, because they have financial freedom. But here is a fool and toiling for others. I am happy to do that. I am not, my knowledge must be. This is the charity what I am giving to you. I don't want to make money through my training, through my education, through my knowledge. I don't want to sell it. Because I am a man with certain principles, values. All of you, those who are, how many Indians are here? Raise your hand, Indians who are working here. Okay. You give a big hand because we say that. Of course, there are others. We say that we should not sell Saraswati education. So I am keeping free to everybody globally. Whether you are black or white or Sudanese, Africans, Americans, Europeans, Arabs, anybody, you are free to get my knowledge freely because we want you to grow. That's why I am telling you, this is a serious session. What we have been doing through VASUPAL creation, that is my organization for training. And as Mr. Shabi told already, maybe most of you who are here, because Middle East we started in 2003, 2, no looking back afterwards. We have developed 100 branches in the Middle East, up to Morocco or Turkey, European border. All this Middle East we have covered. We have a big market, very big market. All these African market opened by me again, South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, Ethiopia. You know, there are some countries and so many other countries are in the pipeline are opened, small countries. What I am telling you is it is a huge global market. There is unlimited demand for health, prevention, nutrition, wellness. And that part I am not going to talk today because the topic is I zeroed down to different aspects, that marketing plan particularly because people don't know what is the DXL opportunity in business. Why marketing plan is without your knowing the roadmap, you cannot drive. First you have to have where you put goal, where to go. He said bonus, profit. You are here to make profit, not loss. How to maximize your profit through this business. So nobody wants to minimize their profit. Every businessman wants to maximize their profit. And I don't know how many of you think that you are an entrepreneur. You are not a worker, labor, employee here. Because people come to this industry as a labor attitude, working class attitude, employee attitude. You are not an employee here. Lot of people ask me, sir, मुझे job मिलेगी क्या reaction? अरे बेवकूफ, मैं job देने के लिए नहीं हूँ, तुमको मालिक बनाने के लिए हूँ. तुम नौकर जाओगे. You want to be a malik, owner. I asked them, I am not here to make you an worker. I am here to make you to owner. You want to be a owner or a worker? Is your decision. Again, not my decision. There is an opportunity in this industry. You can be a owner without cost. That is the beauty of this industry. No, free education is it. आपको कोई फ्री एजुकेशन दिया है एलकेजी तो डिग्री तक नहीं कहाँ एडमिशन मिला है वो सी में नहीं नो फीस नो स्कूल फीस यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गिव द स्कूल फीस यू आर सेंट आउट ऑफ स्कूल व्हाई द चाइल्ड हैज नॉट पेड द स्कूल फीस इवन इन एलकेजी they spend thousands of dirham. I don't know how much it is there. India 4 lakhs 5 lakhs big school, very famous school, LKG admission, pre-KG admission. 500,000 rupees. Equal to 20,000-30,000 dirham, 40,000 dirham. I don't know how much the admission cost here. School, but anyhow, you want to go to a good school, it is very expensive. Even a basic education there is so expensive. Professional education and training as an entrepreneur, business education. How much you have to pay? Did you pay any amount today? No. Was that an entry fee? You are copying because that is the problem. We don't charge, we don't value. Anything free, yes?
Yes.
Anything free, one is not valued. But I am saying still we give free. I am not going to charge you. That's what I told you. This is my charity. I am happy to do the charity. Education is free. I make the money and the bonus or incentive, profit, whatever it may. इसीलिए that आप लोगों ने अभी आपका mindset होना ओनर का mindset, जब आप कमाना चाहते हैं यहाँ लेबर का mindset में आपका सभी काम है वो लेबर. Anybody, even a doctor is a labor, engineer is a labor, chartered accountant is a labor, lawyer is a labor. He gives his work depends on the hour, the return. You know, per day how much? That is the labor. You give your labor, get your income. Here, invest your time, get the profit. Only time, investment of time. How many of you want to invest your time on your life, not on somebody's life? आपका लाइफ के ऊपर इन्वेस्ट करना कितना लोग चाहते हैं? टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट, नॉट पैसा. बिकॉज लोगों ने बताया सर मेरे साथ पैसा नहीं है, आई डोंट हैव मनी, आई एम गेटिंग 1200 dirham, 1300 dirham, 1400 dirham. अयो आई एम टाइटनिंग माय बेल्ट. व्हाई? इट इज नॉट इनफ फॉर फूड स्टैंडर्ड कोकिंग. आई एम लिविंग इन यू नो इस सच्चे हालत है मेरा room, because I am squeezing it to live. I can't pay, 5,000, 10,000 dirham rent. I am sharing my accommodation. I know. I am an economist. I study the life of the people on economic standard of living, level of income, per capita income. Standard of living. I know many of you who have come here. I am very I'm not pitying you, I feel sad. You could have created your better life, but you have not taken the decision. मान लो ना, अभी लोग बताते हैं सर मैं बिजनेस करने के लिए मेरे साथ पैसा नहीं. It is not actually, it is a fact. You want to be a businessman and a businesswoman, you require a capital. You require investable funds. I know in the small shop, small trading, I was going डेरा आप सभी को मालूम है डेरा में बोट में गया है, boat crossing the river, that sea water trading. आबरा में गया है सभी, and you have gone to Abra once you cross the desert. There is a lot of juice stalls. On that day I was enjoying fresh sugarcane juice. I was asking how much the rent for this petty shop, small shop, because my mind goes to the business. I am a businessman. I make the business analysis. People who want to invest and make money, invest and get profit, how much? I asked when Nepali was there with me. Anybody Nepali is here?
Too much.
Give a big hand. You are doing extremely well. These people are struggling. And Bangladeshis, how many Bengalis? Bangladeshis. Multinational. Filipinos. Filipinos, once upon a time there is a large number. Now invisible. You must be visible in a big way. Because I train all these people, I was asking him, I told him make a survey, कितना है उसको रेंट. इस तरह के एक छोटा डिएक्शन शॉप डाले तो कॉफी, टी, सोप, शैम्पू डिस्प्ले करके लेंदे कॉफी बेचेंगे, 3-in-1 बेचेंगे, 2-in-1 बेचेंगे, ब्लैक कॉफी बेचेंगे, मोरिजी बेचेंगे और लेमनोजी, varieties of drinks. Then he came back to me after 2-3 days. So what is the expense? He says they are demanding per month 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 and all. Annually 60,000, 50,000. I told him, he was very excited, wanted to put I don't have money. The problem is ज्यादा लोगों के हाथ में पैसा नहीं है इन्वेस्ट करने. ठीक है, रेडी है ना? प्रैक्टिकली पैसा नहीं है, थोड़ा पैसे है तो रिस्क उठाना नहीं चाहते हैं. पैसा डाले तो चलेंगे, पैसा डालने के बाद बिजनेस चलेंगे, नो गारंटी। कस्टमर्स होना, एम्प्लॉय, अभी आप जॉब